that was rusty crusty. Luckily, it didn't rust through
to the body
to the actual fender skirt. But yeah, that's done. All right, so we need a battery tray. Yucky. Ew.
Engine mounts.
Yeah,
that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, that's just a battery cable.
No, I know,
No big
but
deal. But yeah, all this is janky. So we'll pull it all out and check it, and then go from there. But make sure we document. Wow. Yeah, I mean, we noticed a lot of this stuff obviously when we were doing the inspection and everything, but you know, you just kind of give it a once over. I mean, we're far into the project, but we got a long time. Like, this is factory Ford. That's a C6. It's actually a 66 number, but you know, they have them in stock. That's just the part number. So it was designed in 66, but that's original. So if that's from 69, oh yeah. I mean, the copper inside's nice though, but look at, you just look at it funny and it goes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's done. So definitely gonna need to do cables.
I'd imagine all of this is
pretty nasty.
original.
Yeah, yeah. This car's very unmolested. It's just not the greatest of care, so to speak. But that's okay. Oh, that's okay. We're getting a new one of those too. Yeah, the plastic is so brittle for the thing, they just break half the time.
Clips.
Yeah. All right. So, and then see this. This is a water gutter, so water doesn't go into the voltage regulator. That's kind of a sweet little design.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah, see? There's all kinds of neat things on here. I just like getting into detail like this. I know it takes a long time. It's going to take a while, but yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's definitely seen better days.
It's definitely seen
but
better
for
days.
what? It's like over 50 years old.
Well, 69 is...
Yeah, it's like 56 years old.
56 years, yeah.
Yeah.
It's older than...
half a century.
It's older than you and me. It's older than you and me together?
No.
No.
We beat it by a couple of years.
It's because I'm old.
I know.
Shut up. All right, so next mission, Xander's going to take care of all this right here. Get that all handled. Work his way there. He's going to basically work his way around. And then oil eater, pressure washer, all the fun stuff. And he's going to cover up, though, down here. Obviously, the new stuff we'll cover and wrap and plug down below. Rag joint. Definitely need a rag joint for sure. Look at that. I think it's disgusting too. And that booster and master, like I said, is going to come out.
We're getting a new booster and master, right?
Yes. Yeah, because that thing, it's been leaking, you can tell. That thing's done.
Oh, yeah.
The car had brake pressure, though, when it got here.
Some.
Barely. But you could roll it out the door and it would stop if you hit the brakes, so we had that going for us.
This thing somehow ran, didn't it?
Kinda. It was running on 7. And then we found that push rod that had Peyronie's disease. Anyway.
When it falls out and then you try to put it back in. And
you miss.
hit the taint.
Yep, exactly. The taint. Anyway.
The gooch.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That's a name for it too. Anyway. Alright, so Xander's going to carry on here. And we'll check back in a little bit. Thanks, sir.